Today we're going to be doing the last few things on the bus that we need to still install before we are going to prep the bus for paint. So a few things that were going to be included in this video will be reinstalling the screws in the bumper rail here, this top one, reinstalling the drip edge on the top of the bus over top of our windows.
I am Victoria.
And I'm Rory, and these are our two dogs, Misty and Kita. We live in beautiful British Columbia, Canada.
We are converting our 2004 Thomas bus, named Freedom 25, into our home on wheels, so that we can get out, explore, adventure, and do more of the things we love. Because experiences are more sacred than materials.
Hey guys, we're back on the bus, and we're working as hard as ever. Today we're going to be reinstalling the drip edge that came off the bus before we did our roof raise while we were taking our windows out and stuff. I don't think we really showed any video of that, but not a big deal. It's a pretty straightforward process. So yeah, basically what we did is, you've seen in our sheet metal video, that we bent the existing sheet metal on the bus up to get our new stuff underneath. And if you haven't seen that, check it out here. We bent the metal up, and what we're doing now is we're shoving a bunch of sealant under there, hammering it back down, and we're going to put the drip edge back on the bus. The nice thing about these Thomas buses is they come with a drip edge that's removable, unlike the Bluebird and International that I've seen that are kind of only over each window, and they're part of the existing sheet metal on the roof. So we really like that on the Thomas bus. This is kind of the last of the stuff that we need to install on the bus prior to prepping for paint, so that's exciting. Victoria, I think, is even more excited than I am about the paint. We've had this big yellow thing stuck in our yard for almost 8 months now, and it is starting to become an eyesore. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now, especially if you really like these videos. We have lots of videos upcoming, and also hit that bell icon to get future notifications of our newest videos. Alright, let's get going. So what we're doing right now is the side skirt, the bumper rail, whatever it's called on the outside, has screw holes that need to come through the new sheet metal that we've installed. So what I'm doing is taking my drill, and then you can see down here, holes like this. They used to have a screw in them. We're just putting our drill through and basically drilling out that new metal that's there. And there's another hole on the other side of that metal that lines up with the hole on the side skirt or bumper rail, whatever the thing is called. And then we're going to put screws in. Alright, so we've got all these holes here drilled out. We're not doing these ones right now because we're unsure if we have enough screws. So we're just basically, you can see here, I don't know if you can see through there, but yeah, anyway, we've got these drilled out and ready to put screws in. So the idea here is that one person's going to be on the inside pushing against the sheet metal, and the other is going to be putting in the screw from the outside, so that hopefully everything sandwiches together real nice and tight. Alright, she's got one of my clamps. That's perfect, and she's just pushing just like that while I screw from the outside. Yeah, so it's nice and tight.
Building a bus takes a lot of patience and persistence. Rory is currently looking for the screws to finish the bumper rail on the bus. We're seeing if we've maybe lost any in the grass or if there's any on the ground that we can find, just because there are special screws that come with the bus. So, and we're missing about 20 screws to finish off the bumper rail, so hopefully we can find those and get it installed so we can go on to the next thing.
We're going to be installing these drip edges. We took them off the bus a long time ago and we're going to reinstall them now. Unfortunately, the back drip edge, we never had it, never got it with the bus, so that sucks, you know. But we will put the two that we do have on. What we're going to do is shove some sealant underneath there and hammer it back down. We're using the original screws in the top, and I'm using what we just bought, a number 10 1-inch self-tapping screws for the bottom, and then putting some new holes just to make sure that that sealant line is nice and tight. These Thomas buses are fantastic due to the fact that the drip edge that they come with, first of all, comes off. Secondly, it acts like a gutter. You can see there, it runs the whole length of the bus. Where our windows are, it actually will come right over top of them here and protect that upper seam on our window from getting any water in it. And you can look down them, and they have that little U-shaped thing at the bottom which catches the water, and it'll shoot it out either to the front or the back. So that I'm super happy with. Alright, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up icon if you liked our video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe down below for more upcoming videos. We've got lots to make, just like this one. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.